Have you ever dreamed of building your own AI-powered chatbot without writing a single line of code? Well, guess what? You don't need to be a programmer or AI genius anymore. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create your own smart assistant, customer support agent, or even a content bot using free and easy tools. This step-by-step guide will change the way you think about AI forever. What is an AI bot? An AI bot is a program that uses artificial intelligence to respond to user input. Chatbots can answer questions, guide users, sell products, write emails, and more. Some are rule-based, limited, while others use NLP, like ChatGPT, for real conversation. Tools you'll need: all no-code, free and popular tools to use. ChatFuel, great for Facebook and websites. ManyChat, powerful automation and chat flow. BotPress, open source AI chat builder. Tidio, live chat plus AI Flow XO, for multi-channel bots. VoiceFlow, for voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. Planning your bot before building. Define the purpose: customer support, sales, content delivery, lead generation, etc. Identify your audience. Create a conversation flow, simple Q&A tree or chatbot logic. Building a bot with ManyChat, step-by-step demo. Sign up at manychat.com. Connect your social media, e.g. Facebook or Instagram. Create your first flow using drag and drop. Add user triggers, e.g. keywords or buttons. Use AI-powered responses, GPT-style integration. Test your bot live. Movie camera. Include screen recordings of building in ManyChat. Making your bot smart with ChatGPT. Use OpenAI's GPT API or ChatGPT plugins. Some platforms support it directly. Connect your bot to GPT via tools like Zapier plus OpenAI. Make.com, Integromat. This allows your bot to answer naturally, like a human. Real-world use cases: e-commerce bots that recommend product. Personal coaches, motivation, fitness, productivity, course assistants for your online school. YouTube, video bots that reply to comments or share links. Lead gen bots on landing pages. Tips to grow with your bot: add personality, use emojis, humor, tone, keep it simple and conversational. Track performance, open rates, clicks, conversions. Use AI plus human hybrid when needed. Update your bot regularly with feedback. You don't need a computer science degree to build something amazing with AI. You just need a little curiosity and the right tools. Now you've got both. So go ahead, create your bot, test it, improve it, and start automating your world today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your bot ideas in the comments.